Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new video of Legit Finance. Today in this video, I'm going to show you my trades of 23rd of February. Okay, so that you can learn from these trades and apply the learning in your own trading. Okay, so first of all, I trade. I took the trade in CAD JPY on 3rd of February. So what was the trade? The trade was just, it was a mistake. It was a huge mistake. I had made my level on this, and okay, I had made my level on this. So why was this my level? Because this has multiple touches on the support, and if a support breaks, it turns into a resistance. So this was my system, so that I will short on this resistance if it reaches just here, means in between this. Okay, I will short it by keeping the SL here. So this number second logic was the trend was bearish. If you will see, we have triple top formation and we have a break of that formation. So this was a very good trade. But one thing that destroyed this trade was news on CAD JPY. A news was on CAD Canadian dollar. There was a news, or on JPY there was a news. So so that news just destroyed this trade. And what happened was, I was somewhere else. I had kept an alert, so my alert rang, and when I was on my system, it reached here, okay, on this level. So I thought, yeah, if it give me there, I will trade it. So the mistake was, I didn't see the news. I didn't ask why to the market, that why market you moved this much up. Okay, so that was my mistake on this trade. Number second mistake was, my strategy is based on currency strength meter, so I didn't check that. The the learning was, number first, don't trade on news. Okay, number second, if to trade on news, then first see the news. Okay, number third number third is, data refreshes every time, every second the data refreshes. And number third, you can see this was a move down and move down. Okay, so this was not a move that is needed to confirm a breakdown. Okay, so on a breakdown, generally on this type of patterns, a huge big pattern, a single candle breaks through by showing the strength. Okay, so this was the mistakes on this trade. And number second trade that I took on was on Euro USD, which was a very great trade, which was a very great trade. Okay, I will show you. Okay, so you can see here, on I took it on this much, oh, 9 minute. Okay, yeah. So here we have some news on this, a negative news, I think so. That's why it made this much huge candle. So what was the setup? That on 4-hour chart, what we can see, that it is forming a rising wedge, which is a very bearish pattern. So on rising, and generally what happens is, market moves in a channel of two trend lines, and then it breaks on the upper side by trapping the buyers. It comes fastly to the down. Okay, so I thought it will come down. Okay, so when we have this much strong candle to confirm this breakout, remember, I have I have told this before, that you need a strong candle to confirm breakdown or breakout. In CAD GPY there was not a strong candle, but in Euro USD there was a strong candle. So I was waiting for retracement by marking a FEBOs. My level was this much. You can see, no, not this much. My level was on 30%, I think so. This much was my level. Okay, this much. Because why this much? If you will go for 4 hours, you will see we have a very good touches on this level, and this level can become a huge resistance. And you may have a question arising in your mind, that why you choose only 30%. So there's a very important learning in this. When there is a very fast fall, market generally on the first retracement move from 20 or 30%. So that was my logic behind this. by marking my supply on 30%. By marking my supply on 30%, I was ready to short it. So when it came to my level, this was very weak move to the upside, because the downside was strong. So that was another benefit, another important factor for me, that I am identifying which pair is strong, which pair, not which currency is strong, euro or USD. Okay, so we have euro strong, USD strong. So I shorted it directly, you can say 20 on, around about there. Why I shorted? Because on this candle I saw a very nice selling pressure, which from which I was impressed. So we have I was I exited around this, okay, around this level. So in just one candle, in just 2 3 candles, is it hit my target. So this was a very good trade. From this trade, what you can learn is, number first, see the trend, move with the trend. Number second, market on generally on the first retracement retraces from the 30%. Okay. Number third, learning, what you can learn is, see on which side the pair or the currency is strong. See on which currency is stronger than which currency. So you can search it on Google. It will give you some consistent meters. You can check it out there. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Hope you learned from this video. Please leave a like, share, and to subscribe the channel. Thanks for